swelling in the knees, that dull, dragging pain in the legs, the stiffness that greets you each morning before your coffee even does. If you're over 50 and you've started noticing these signs, you're not imagining it. Your body is telling you something, and it's whispering one word over and over again: collagen. Collagen is the silent architect of strength in our bodies. It holds together the joints, cushions the cartilage, and gives our tendons and ligaments the flexibility to move without pain. But here's the harsh truth. By the time most people hit their 60s, they've lost nearly half of their natural collagen. The result? Swollen joints, muscle fatigue, bone-on-bone friction, and a life that slowly shrinks in movement and joy. The good news? You can fight back. Not with expensive injections or pharmaceutical quick fixes, but with real food. Certain natural foods are not only rich in collagen, but also stimulate your body to make more of it, heal inflammation, and rebuild strength from the inside out. In this guide, we'll explore 8 such powerful foods, each backed by science and trusted by cultures for centuries. These aren't exotic superfoods, they're simple, accessible, and easy to bring into your life. Whether you want to soothe aching knees, fight swelling, or simply stay active as you age, these foods are your allies. Because your legs shouldn't feel like a burden. They should carry you, strong, steady, and free. Let's begin with one of the oldest healing traditions known to humankind: bone broth. Number 1. Bone broth. Bone broth is more than just an old-fashioned remedy. It's a nutritional powerhouse that delivers collagen in its most absorbable form. Made by simmering animal bones, cartilage, and connective tissue for hours, sometimes even days, bone broth releases gelatin, which the body converts into usable collagen peptides. These peptides then go straight to work repairing joint tissue, soothing inflammation, and reinforcing the cartilage that cushions every step you take. But the benefits don't stop there. Bone broth is also rich in glycine, an amino acid that helps regulate the immune system and reduce chronic inflammation. One of the biggest culprits behind joint swelling in older adults. When inflammation is controlled, pain subsides, mobility improves, and even long-standing stiffness can start to soften. Scientific studies have shown that consuming collagen hydrolysate, the kind found in bone broth, can significantly improve joint pain in individuals with osteoarthritis. One study published in the journal Current Medical Research and Opinion found that patients taking collagen supplements experienced reduced pain and increased mobility after just 24 weeks. Bone broth offers that same healing potential, without the need for capsules or synthetics. And let's not forget the added benefits. Calcium, magnesium, phosphorus, and glucosamine all simmer their way into your cup, helping not just joints, but also bones, skin, and gut health. It's a full-body repair kit in liquid form. If you're looking to reclaim the ease of movement you once had, or simply want to keep what you've still got, make bone broth a daily ritual. One warm cup a day could be the most comforting and healing habit you introduce into your senior health journey. Number 2. Salmon. If there's one food that works silently but powerfully behind the scenes to protect your joints, it's salmon. While it may not be loaded with collagen itself, its true magic lies in its ability to preserve your body's existing collagen and reduce the chronic inflammation that destroys joint health over time. Salmon is rich in omega-3 fatty acids, specifically EPA and DHA, 2 compounds that science has repeatedly linked to improved joint function and reduced stiffness. According to research published in the Annals of the Rheumatic Diseases, these omega-3 can significantly reduce joint pain and morning stiffness in people suffering from rheumatoid arthritis. The fatty acids work by lowering levels of inflammatory proteins like CRP-C-reactive protein and TNF-alpha, which are often elevated in seniors dealing with chronic joint issues. But that's not all. Salmon also contains astaxanthin, a naturally occurring antioxidant that gives the fish its pink color. This compound not only protects cells from oxidative stress, but also prevents collagen fibers from breaking down prematurely, keeping the structure of your joints intact for longer. Combined with its high-quality protein, vitamin D, and B12 content, salmon becomes a full package for those looking to support both muscle repair and connective tissue strength. Number 3. Eggs. When it comes to rebuilding collagen from the inside out, few foods are as convenient or as powerful as eggs. Often underestimated, eggs are nature's perfect protein package, and they provide several key nutrients directly involved in collagen synthesis. Eggs, particularly the yolk, are rich in proline and glycine, two amino acids that your body uses to produce collagen. They also contain biotin, a B vitamin that plays a vital role in maintaining healthy skin, hair, and joints. Biotin helps convert the amino acids from food into the collagen strands that keep your ligaments flexible and your joints pain-free. But what makes eggs especially important for seniors is their high sulfur content. Sulfur is a trace mineral required for the production of glutathione, a powerful antioxidant that defends your cells and your collagen against damage from inflammation and toxins. As you age, your body becomes less efficient at using these nutrients, which makes it even more important to supply them consistently through diet. The best part? Eggs are easy to digest, affordable, and incredibly versatile. Whether you like them boiled, poached, scrambled, or in a veggie-packed omelette, adding 1 or 2 eggs to your daily meals is a simple but profound way to support your body's collagen production. Number 4. Berries. Berries may look delicate, but they are among the most potent anti-inflammatory and collagen-supporting foods you can eat. Whether it's blueberries, strawberries, raspberries, or blackberries, these colorful fruits are rich in vitamin C, anthocyanins, and ellagic acid, a trio of powerful compounds that directly help build and preserve collagen in your body. Vitamin C is essential for collagen synthesis. It acts like a binding agent that links amino acids together into sturdy collagen fibers. Without enough vitamin C, your body can't form or store collagen effectively. This becomes even more important as we age, and our body's natural collagen production slows down dramatically. But the real secret weapon in berries is their anthocyanin content, a group of antioxidants that give these fruits their vibrant hues. Studies have shown that anthocyanins can block the enzymes that break down collagen, protect joints from oxidative stress, and reduce inflammation in people with arthritis. For seniors struggling with leg swelling or joint stiffness, incorporating berries into the diet can have both immediate and long-term benefits. They're not just sweet treats, they're natural medicine for aging joints. Number 5. Leafy greens. Spinach, kale, arugula, collards. These aren't just salad ingredients. They are nutrient-dense, collagen-enhancing powerhouses, particularly important for aging adults looking to maintain flexibility, strength, and mobility. Leafy greens are loaded with vitamin C, which, as we've already discussed, is essential for the body to manufacture new collagen. But they also contain a wide range of other nutrients critical to joint and leg health: magnesium, vitamin K, calcium, and chlorophyll. Magnesium plays a direct role in muscle relaxation and nerve function, which means fewer cramps and less stiffness. Vitamin K, found in abundance in greens like kale and Swiss chard, helps regulate calcium in the bones and joints, reducing the risk of calcification and promoting smooth, pain-free movement. Meanwhile, the chlorophyll found in leafy greens acts as a gentle detoxifier, helping remove heavy metals and toxins that can trigger inflammation and break down collagen. It also assists in tissue repair, making it a valuable ally for those recovering from joint injuries or chronic swelling. Consuming a variety of leafy greens daily supports the entire musculoskeletal system, from the cartilage in your knees to the ligaments in your ankles. Lightly steaming or sautéing greens with olive oil not only enhances flavor, but also improves the absorption of fat-soluble vitamins like A, E, and K. By making leafy greens a central part of your plate, you're doing more than eating clean. You're feeding your joints exactly what they need to stay strong. Number 7. Citrus fruits. While citrus fruits like oranges, lemons, grapefruits, and limes don't contain collagen themselves, they are among the most important cofactors in collagen production. That's because they're bursting with vitamin C, the very nutrient that activates your body's ability to produce new collagen fibers. As we age, our capacity to synthesize collagen weakens. Without sufficient vitamin C, the collagen-building amino acids, proline and lysine, cannot form into the sturdy triple helix structure that gives collagen its strength. That's why even mild vitamin C deficiency can lead to symptoms like sore joints, bruising, and slow wound healing. all signs of weakened collagen. Citrus fruits also contain bioflavonoids, plant compounds that improve blood circulation and support capillary health. This ensures that oxygen and nutrients reach the joints efficiently, promoting faster recovery and reducing inflammation. Squeezing lemon into warm water in the morning, adding orange slices to your salads, or even zesting grapefruit peel into your yogurt are small habits that yield big benefits. Aging may be inevitable, but suffering isn't. The loss of collagen doesn't have to mean the loss of freedom, movement, or peace. Every food we've explored today, bone broth, salmon, eggs, berries, leafy greens, chicken skin, citrus fruits, and avocados, offers something deeply powerful: the ability to rebuild what time tries to take away. You don't need expensive supplements, painful treatments, or synthetic chemicals. Nature has already equipped your kitchen with everything you need to heal your joints, reduce swelling, and regain strength. But the key lies in consistency. Healing with food is not a one-time event. It's a lifestyle. It's choosing broth over soda, berries over sugar, greens over grease. It's a small decision made daily, adding up to massive transformation over time.